Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video, I am doing the review of the Holiday Lip Kit 5 full-size lippies from Estee Lauder. But how are the colors? Are they all usable? Are half of them not? I'm going to test them all out. I've already swatched them, but I'm going to put them on so that you can see the quality of the lipstick, how it feels, what the packaging looks like, and each and every one of the colors. So let's go ahead and jump in. All right, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, you guys, before we get started, I always like to point out things that I'm wearing that are still available and also on sale. Yay! And it also comes in black. I'm already, as soon as because I look it up and I was like, oh my gosh, the cheer shirt is still available. It's a sweater, actually. Let me just stand up so you could see it. So incredibly cute. You could do front tuck. I'm wearing leggings today, but look at the beading. It's actually beading that is done in a gold cheers. I will put the black one right here so you could see that one as well. Absolutely adorable. The perfect winter white. And this necklace by Karl Lagerfeld. Again, oh my God, we make such a great gift. It's a layered piece. We're going to talk about the Estee Lauder holiday kit. So there's 5 full-size lipsticks, you heard me, for $50. Crazy. And the packaging is really pretty, and I'm going to go through all the colors for you so that if you're looking for a last-minute gift, I'd be happy to get it. Let me show you the packaging. So it is, they're the gold. Each one of them is slightly different with regards to pattern. So you could see that they have a different pattern. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing I'm going to do though, you guys, is I am going to line my lips. I am now, I have become completely obsessed with the Dior. This is Nude Blush. I just ordered 2 more colors and line our lips. Now you may say, Darlene, you love Estee Lauder lip liners. I absolutely do. I love this just as much. I think they're even creamier. They do not bleed. They do not run into those little fine lip lines if you have them. They're great. And all of it is on sale. So we're clear. All of it. All right, let's start in no particular order because first one is Revealing Rose. Boy, that didn't want to come out at all. Oh, and let me just show you. Look how gorgeous the actual lipstick is. Do you see the design? Gorgeous, right? So, Revealing Rose. Lord, girl. Okay, look how pretty that is. Okay, go. It's the cream formula. So it glides on. I mean, if you saw my you guys know I've literally done so many Estee Lauder lipstick reviews because it's a great lipstick. Beautiful color. All right, let's see if we can get this off. I know we can get it off without taking the lip liner off. Mesmerizing Mauve. Well, this should be mauve-y. Let's put it next. And it is. Where there's like almost like a little shimmer to this, which I really like. I don't know if it's going to pick up on the camera, but when oh, there's a shimmer to this for sure. Oh, this is a favorite. Yeah. Ooh, so pretty. That's gorgeous. Love it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Next one is Discreet. That gives me no idea what this is. So it's really funny because they look very matte when you open them up, when the bullet opens up, but they're not. They definitely have a slight shimmer to it. Okay. Mesmerizing. Oh, this is a great nude. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous nude. Let's see. Smoke Show. I like the name of that. I love the name of this one. Let's do Smoke Show. It is going to be the darkest. Hold 1 second. Let me look at the other one. Yeah, I'm gonna switch up so I can do the dark one last. This one is Dramatic Rose color. Dramatic Rose. I'll put it on and then I'll compare it. Oh, another awesome color. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Hold on. Rebellious Rose. Okay, this is their signature color. So I'm going to do it right next to it, and I want to see, oh no, it's completely different. Completely different. So if you're thinking I already have Rebellious Rose, because that comes in pretty much every collection, you can see this is one of the breast cancer awareness. This is Romantic Rose. Look at the difference. Big difference. Big difference. Smoke Show. Ooh. Or a Smoke Show. Okay, I'm going to put it at the top because I have no more room. Smoke Show. It is the darkest out of all of them. There it is right here. Smoke Show. Let's do it. If you don't want to wear a red for Christmas, right here. This is beautiful. This is very dramatic. I love it. Smoke Show. So I think every single, although I have favorites, every single one of these colors is absolutely doable. I don't think there's a bad egg in the bunch. They're gorgeous. So yeah, highly recommend getting it. I mean, take them out of the box, put a bow around them. Because the box is the box, right? So everything's fine. Put a pretty little bow in it and then put it in a stocking stuffer. Split them up. Maybe you have several girlfriends, you know? Keep your favorite and give 2 to each of your girlfriends. There's lots of ways to do it. All right, you guys. Well, that's it. That is my review on the holiday collection lippies from Estee Lauder. Yeah, approved. For sure. All right, you guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, will you take a moment, hit that thumbs up? As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.